what is the greatest common factor of two numbers? The greatest common factor is a factor that they have in common, but is the biggest one possible, the greatest common factor. Let's look at two numbers, 24 and 30. First, we factor them as a prime factorization. In the case of 24, 2 and 12, I'm using a factoring tree. 2 and 6, 2 and 3. The factorization for 24 is 2 cubed times 3. Let's see what 30 has in common with this. 2 and 15. 3 and 5. The factorization for 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. Do those factorizations have any numbers in common? They have two numbers in common. Both of them contain factors of 2. In the case of 24, there's 3 of them. But in order to be common, in order to be shared with 30, 30 has only one of them. So my greatest common factor will include a 2. The greatest common factor will also include a 3, because they have 3's in common. However, 30 also includes a 5, which 24 does not have. So when I look at the factorizations of 24 and 30, the only numbers I found in common were 2 and 3. So the greatest common factor for 24 and 30 is 2 times 3, or the number 6. 6 is a factor of 24. 6 is a factor of 30. That's the greatest common factor. And now you know a little bit about finding greatest common factors.